Okay, let's get started using the Dodo Does Math distances course. So in all of these courses, they have directions at the beginning. This tells us picking up an egg needs exact measuring. You can always click this button to have the directions read. They're going to give you hints many times in directions, so don't ignore them, read them. Click OK when you're ready to get started. On this first challenge, they're showing us how to use the ruler. So you should notice the video when you get in to see how it's showing you to do something. Because they'll do that at other points in the course, and you don't want to ignore these videos because they're helpful. And you can see it's repeating, so if you just wait, it'll show you again. Okay. A few things. Number one, your code buttons are going to be down at the bottom. We're text coding for this, so you will write text, but this will do it for you. Number two, anytime you want to go to the next line, you just press return. So you see how that has line 1, line 2? Some people worry, oh no, there's no more lines. Well, you can have as many lines as you need, just press return. All right, so it says step 0. Step is how far the bird goes. 0 would be the distance. Anything, the distance number, we have to type in. The command to pick up picks up the egg. The dodo needs to be completely over the egg to pick it up. So I'm going to click the ruler, and I have to click and drag. So you're going to click and hold down. Notice that red dot. If I don't have it in a good spot for measuring, it's not going to be green. But I want to put it smack over the middle of the dodo in the body, and it's green, and you can see it showing I need 8 steps to get to that egg. Now when I'm done, I put it back. So I don't want to step 0, I want to step 8. And then pick up. All right. Make sure as you head out, first of all, you should earn a minimum of 2 stars. If you only earn 1 star, you need to go back and fix your code. Also, notice what they're telling you here. Sometimes they're kind of pointing out what you learned. Obviously, we're just getting started, so they're just telling us, yay, you measured. So, the other thing in the directions, they're giving you clues about what you should be noticing. Like, what if the dodo looks away? As in, this dodo is not facing the egg. So we have a few things here. And they've already put a pickup at line 4. So they're letting us know we need to add some code up here. So obviously, the first thing the dodo's going to need to do is turn. So to do that, I click turn, and then the direction I want, which is left. Now, sometimes I'm a little unsure with my turning directions, so I like to test if I'm not sure. It's better than writing all your code and having your lefts and rights mixed up somewhere. Now I need to measure. So how far do I need the dodo to step, right? That would be my next command after turning. So when I click on the ruler and drag it down and I put it on the dodo, notice I can't get it here. Well, I get it over the dodo's body and I let it go where I have the green dot. And then I click this arrow. So you click on it and holding down, I rotate it and I see I'm going to need to go 7 steps. Now I can put my ruler back and I'm going to write step 7. Now, I don't need to do anything else. So we turn left, we step 7, we pick up. I could leave that space there, but if I wanted to get rid of it, I could click here and press delete 1 time and it will move my line up. So let's see how we do. All right, so I'm going to move us ahead. In this section, we're working on activities 1 through 8. So I want to show you a little more of what you'll encounter. Let's go to number 5. So they're letting us know we need to use a turning point. So as you're progressing, you're not going to be able to measure everything with the ruler that you have. Like it might be too short, you might need to turn and measure again. So as you're working, they're going to be pointing out strategies for how to approach more challenging measuring. So for this one, we can see we're going to need to go all the way up to the flower. So measuring is not new. That's going to be 10. And we know that's where we need to turn. Now here's the thing. If I just write step 10, look what happens. Yep, so anytime you're having the Dodo do command, you just use the button. If you need the turtle to do a command, you have to click on the turtle. So it just says turtle, and then I'm gonna say step and 7. Now, to get that turtle step that you can see is turtle.step, I just clicked. I'm gonna press return and do it again. Make sure, so if I click here, it's gonna be Dodo. But turtle step. So it automatically fills in the correct way to write it. You can type it, but it's far easier to just click the buttons. After the turtle step 7, we don't want the turtle to step 7. When we measured, remember it was 10? Don't know what put 7 in my mind, but if we had typed it wrong, it would have been easy enough to fix, but I caught it. So after the turtle step 10, we're gonna need the Dodo to turn to be facing the egg, which is gonna be to turn right. What? So to go to the next line, I just press return. And I type turn right. And it doesn't matter if there's another number below, I can just press return, it'll add a number. Now, because this is all new, let's run it and make sure we feel good about it. Okay, so now that the turtle is step 10 and then the Dodo turn right, we're gonna need the Dodo to step. So I'm gonna get the ruler, and this is one of those strategies again. We're gonna use the flower as a point to help us measure, right? So the flowers are stopping, turning, and measuring point. You're gonna need to do that as you move on. So it says 9. All right. You might need to use a bush to help you measure, right? We have to measure from somewhere. We can't measure from like blank grass. So that was step 9. Now, the one thing I do wrong the most is this. Well, there are a couple things. Like sometimes when I want to turn, I forget to write turn and I just write right or left. But I also frequently forget to use pick up. So if I run this, it's going to tell me I need to pick up, and that's what I need to do last. Remember how I said we press return to go to the next line? We absolutely do. And if I press return, it'll give me a new line. But also, watch this. Pickup is a totally separate and new command. So if I just click pickup, CodeMonkey knows I need to be at the next line. It's pretty cool. So now I should have the correct code. All right. I just want to show you one more. But not this one. Although you can see they're showing you. So here's one of those videos at number 6. They're showing you the strategy you need to use. Notice that. They're showing us that we can move our ruler. And that we have to sometimes add 2 distances, right? Just like in real life. So it would look like this, right? If I want to measure from here to the egg, this is one of those examples, the ruler won't reach. So I've got from the Dodo to the middle of the Dodo to the middle of the flower is 8. So then I click on this and drag it up, and then I have 7, and as the video shows, I have to add those together. So sometimes we're going to need to be adding distances together. And sometimes they're going to give us no code at all. So I also need to show you something really important, which is walking backwards. So I can see here that's going to be 9, and that's going to be 9, which many times you can tell they're the same. But let me show you this. So it doesn't matter. Oh, I don't have to go to those flowers. Ignore that. I was going to show you how to walk backwards, but we're not collecting flowers. We're just going to the egg, which we just have to step. So if you write step 8 and then step 7, that is not going to be the way to do it. In fact, you'll probably get 1 star. It needs to be step 15, and then we pick up. So be ready for coming up with strategies for how to measure 2 things at a time as well. Now your job is to complete activities 1 through 8, and then before you start number 9, come back so I can give you some information about completing 9 through 16.